In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Weebly site's title to any font. We'll be walking through each step together, and by the end of this brief session, you'll be able to customize your site title to fit your desired aesthetic. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Weebly website. You can find it easily through a quick search or use the direct link if you have it bookmarked. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password associated with your account. Go ahead and type those in, then click on the login button to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you'll be directed to an overview of your sites. Here you'll see a list of all the sites you've created under your account. Find the site you wish to update and click on the Edit Site button next to it. This action will take you straight into the editing interface of Weebly, where all the magic happens. Once inside the editor, you'll want to navigate to the Theme tab. Clicking on this will bring up a new set of options revolving around the look and feel of your site. Next, locate the option labelled Change Fonts. This is where you'll find the now customizable elements of your site. In the side menu, you'll see various text elements that you can modify. Start by selecting the site title. This brings up all the options at your disposal for altering the appearance of your site title. Your first option should be the font section. Click the drop down icon to peruse the fonts available. Here you have many styles to choose from, enabling the look that aligns best with your site's theme. After selecting your font, don't stop there. You'll want to personalize further by selecting the exact style of the font. Whether you favour a more italicized look or a bolder typeface, there are several options to match your style preference. Moving on, you'll see a section to adjust the font size. Use the slider or input field to change the scale to your liking. Once you're satisfied with the size, head on over to the weight option. Here you can tweak the thickness of your typeface, enhancing the subtlety or boldness of your site title as you wish. Colour is another facet you can modify to make your site title pop. Choose a colour that complements your site's colour scheme and ensures readability. If at any point you'd like to see how uppercase letters impact your design, simply click the uppercase option to toggle it on or off. The final touch involves letter spacing. Adjusting the spacing can create a more dramatic or subtle effect, depending on the style you're going for. Once you're satisfied with all the changes, take a moment to review your work. When everything looks just right, click on Publish to make your changes go live. It's as simple as that. You've successfully personalized your Weebly site title, creating an engaging first impression for visitors. Thanks for following along, and happy designing.